Hello guys, just doing a little test here, making sure this new app I downloaded is going to work the way I want it to. So just going to go over a few things quick for you. For the Rookie Alliance, nothing spectacular. The management team is working very hard to create a bunch of podcasts that are going to give you pretty much all the information that you should ever need in order to, know how to play this game and know how to play it right and succeed at it. Paige is working out hard. He's even going to have team compositions in there, and just pretty much anything this game has to offer. We're going to explain it through a bunch of different podcasts. So I want you to know management's working hard to make sure that you guys are succeeding. Hopefully we'll be able to start getting some of those out here, I don't know, within hopefully this next week, the middle of next week or next weekend. I don't know, we'll figure it out. But yeah, and then we'll always have them. We can save them, and they'll be good for many new people who join down the road. So I'm not going to get too into anything here, really. I'm just going to kind of go through a few basic stuff. I'm not even sure. I don't have a game plan. I'm just kind of going with the flow, really. So I did send the scores and I did show the management team what you guys had for scores, and I will say that they're actually pretty impressive. Some of you, don't worry about them. You started late in the week, no big deal. But some of you that started earlier in the week, you have already shined. Brian, very awesome job. Clock Outliner, all the way down the cost. Some of you guys are definitely going to not be in the Rookie Alliance very long. We figuring out places for you, so just know that we got you. So let's see, right now we're 14 to 30, and let's see. All right, so red alerts, you want to do them every single day. Obviously you want to do them every day the best you can. I'm going to turn the volume on down. I don't think you guys can hear it, but I can. So I'm going to teach you a little secret about red alerts. A lot of you won't have these members yet, but this is a team comp that I almost always go with every week, and every day, and I win all the time. There's only been a few times where something happens, one of my heroes dies. But what I'm doing, I'm looking for one with as many greens, as many energy heroes as possible. I think this will be a good one. And this is my team here: Astro, Wonder Girl, Donna Troy, and then so this team here, you think it's a lot of blues, but I'm just going to show you a little trick. Once you can kind of get Astro on your team, and I'll show you why here. I'll show you what they offer and why they are as good as they are. Astro kind of makes everything like auto. Even though I won't be on auto, you'll see everything. It's his turn meter up and all that. I hope you guys can see that cursor there too, so I can point stuff out. Alright, let's go here. A little slow today right now. The 3 times this year, the 3 times they just put that in recently. Some of you probably realize that already, but Now we'll look at his abilities. Astro's third one, I love this third one, is damage to enemies, 75% chance to apply enrage, and 2 strength ups to each teammate. All enraged teammates attack random enemies, so they just all attack. And with Wonder Girl, when she is enraged, I don't know how it's pronounced, we'll have to wait, but something about when she's enraged, she pretty much is just deadly. So we'll just do a little about, and this will probably be about all there is to this first red alert. It's an AoE, it's going to hit them all, and then I just sit back and wait. There's one. It's a little jumpy, it's kind of acting weird. There, so let's see, when damage to an enemy, 50% critical chance if target has any buffs, 50% additional damage, 100% damage and can't miss if enraged. So that's what it is. It's 100% damage and can't miss when she's enraged, and Astro enrages her. So that's why that works so well. I'll just do that. Probably knock him down, and yep, there we go. So you see that was a pretty easy match. No problem. I usually go through them in about 10 minutes a day. Takes about 10 minutes to do red alerts with that team. So it's kind of one you want to start working on if you get a chance. I don't know how to shut it off. Alright, well, okay, we'll just go out of there for now. You can earn, I believe it's 65 gold every day if you complete red alerts. And I can't remember the hit. 1573, I think it's about 25 hero shards. Let's go to missions now. I did most of these already, but I'm on my legendary. Click on mission for the day, start 27, red alerts, upgrade, yeah, I should have. See, I'm at a point now where I cannot really rank up a hero every day. There are a lot of people who are already at a point where they cannot upgrade gear on a hero, even for the dailies, but you guys won't have to worry about that. Few team comps I like. Let's see if I got anything in Siege. Nope. As you can see right now, I am rank 12. Yeah, there I am. Not too bad. I don't do the Warth Arena at all, hardly ever. The only reason I do is because I need to do 27. But if you know, you can click on the name, you can view the team, their team that you're going up against. They got a Rebirth Red Robin, you can tell by the gold. And what alliance are in. Latinos. Trophy count. So he's gonna revive. Let's see, alright. So I'm just gonna go with some oddball team here. We'll go see what happens. We'll do this team. That's actually my siege team, but Black Mantis has an ability that he can make revivers not revive, so we'll give this team a shot, and I got the lead there, so let's try it. This computer is running quite slow today. I'm not sure why. Really lagging, jeez. Oof. Uh-oh. Now look, Penguin's not doing anything. Usually he would proc and he'd just go crazy, but no. Not happening right now. Yeah, they're kicking my butt. There he went, finally. Yep, now you see Swamp Thing did not come back because Black Mantis's third ability is he stops revivers. Bleed, bitch, bleed. Penguin take a hit, boy. He just keeps on taking the hits. Shoot. That sucks. There, he's dead. There we go. Finally got rid of him. Thank goodness. Yes, Black Mantis loves the bleed. He is so much fun. See, now my affinities aren't really working so well because the reds are, yeah. But I should still win. Alright, and I believe the only one who died, so I should get 2 stars. Yep. So, yep, that's kind of that, and I only can record for 15 minutes, so I'm going to have to stop right there. We'll see how it turned out. Keep up the good work, guys.